Hello student, today we are going to learn the second module of the verb, and in this module we will learn about subject and verb agreement. Subject and verb agreement stand for if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should be the plural. So please observe the first sentence, he is my younger brother. Here the subject is singular and the verb is also singular. In the second example, you are a teacher. Here, the subject you is plural and that's why the verb are is used here in the plural form. So the basic rule of subject-verb agreement is a singular subject takes a singular verb, whereas a plural subject takes plural verb. So please observe the example third. My aunt or my uncle is arriving by train. Here in the sentence, two subjects, aunt and uncle, is used with the help of connector or, and the verb is singular. In the fourth example, neither John nor Carmen is available. Here also, John and Carmen are two subjects and the connector is used neither nor, and the verb is over here singular. Either Kiana or Cassie is helping today with stage decoration. Fifth example, you can observe Kiana and Cassie are the two subjects is used with the connector either or. So the student, the rule is that two singular subjects connected by or either or, neither nor require a singular verb as you observe in the examples, or in other words we can say that when two singular subject is connected by these connectors or either or neither nor, we must use a singular verb. The next rule, neither the plates nor the serving bowl goes on that chef. Here in the example, the two subjects, the plates and the serving bowl is used. You can observe that first subject, plates, is in plural and the second subject, serving bowl, is in singular. So the verb goes is used according to the second subject, serving bowl. Serving bowl is singular, so the verb is singular. In the second example, neither the serving bowl nor the plates go on that chef. Here, the first subject, the serving bowl, in the singular, and the second subject, the plates, in the plural. So the verb should be plural. So the rule is the verb in an or, either or, neither nor sentence agrees with the noun or pronoun closer to it. So we use to determine the verb should be singular or plural, we observe the second subject or the closest subject. Rule third, as a general rule, use a plural verb with two or more subjects when they are connected by and. In the example third, a car and a bike are my means of transportation. So there are two different subjects, a car and a bike. So we need a plural verb, but there are some exceptions too. As you can observe in the example 4, breaking and entering is against the law. So here the two subjects, breaking and entering, is used, but the verb is singular. In the fifth example, the bed and the breakfast was charming. Here also two subjects and the verb is singular because breaking and entering, bed and breakfast are compound nouns. So we use singular verb with the compound nouns. In the fourth rule, all of my family has arrived or have arrived. In the second example, most of the jury is here or are here. In the third example, a third of the population was opposed or were opposed to the bill. So when we use collective nouns such as a group, jury, family, audience, population, the verb might be singular or plural depending on the writer's intent. That means if collective noun used as member, that means if the collective noun is used as a member, we use plural verb, and if is used as a group, we used singular verb. Observe the example 1. A lot of pie has disappeared. Second, a lot of pies have disappeared. In the third example, a third of the city is unemployed. Here the verb is singular. A third of the people are unemployed. Here the verb is plural. So the rule is with the words that indicate portions like a lot, a majority, some, all. So we are guided by the nouns after of. If the noun is singular, we should have to use singular verb. If the noun is plural, we have to use plural verb. Rule 6. In sentence beginning with here or there, the true subject follows the verb. Observe the example. There are 4 hurdles to jump. So the verb are is used according to the 4 hurdles, not according to the there. In the second example, there is high hurdle to the jump. A high hurdle is a singular one, so the verb is singular. Here are the keys. Keys are plural, so the verb used here plural are. Rule 7. Sometimes the subject is separated from the verb by such words as along with, as well as, beside, not, etc. These words and phrases are not part of the subject. Ignore them and use a singular verb when the subject is singular. Please observe the example 4. The politician along with the newsman is expected shortly. Here the verb is singular used according to the first subject, the politician, which is singular. Fifth example. Excitement as well as nervousness is the cause of seeking, according to the excitement. Rule 8. When the subject of a verb is a relative pronoun, care should be taken to see that the verb agrees in number and person with the antecedent of the relative. Example first. I, who am your friend, will guard you interest. Here, the subject is I or antecedent is I. So the verb is used here am. You, who are my friend, should not worry me. Here, the antecedent is plural, so the verb is used plural. Rule 9. The title of the books, play, story, musical compositions and the name of the country, even though plural, in form take a singular verb. So the name of the books keeps a singular verb. Sons and Lovers is a book and the verb is singular. The United States of America is a developed country. Here is used for the United States of America. Rule 10. If singular subject have each or every before them, the verb is singular. Example first. Every man, woman and child was lost. So here the subject is every, so we use singular verb. Each day and each hour brings its duty. Each is used as a subject over here, so the verb should be singular, brings. Rule 11. If two subjects together express one idea, the verb will be in singular. Third, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Here, early to bed and early to rise is expressing one idea. That's why the verb is used over here should be singular. Slow and steady wins the race. The verb win is used singular. If two infinitives are separated by and they take the plural form of the verb. As we discussed this earlier, to walk and to chew gum require great skill. Here, the connector is and two infinitives to walk and to chew is used. And that's why the verb is used over here in plural form. Rule 13. When gerunds are used as subject of a sentence, they take singular form of the verb. As you have already learned it, standing in the water was a bad idea. So here standing is used as gerund and was is a singular verb. Swimming in the ocean and playing drums are my hobbies. Here two gerunds are used with the help of connectors, so the verb should be singular. Here swimming and playing are two gerunds connected by and so the verb should be plural. Let us see what we have learned. Question number first. The committee dash divided on one minor point. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. The first option is art was, has. The correct option is are. Question number 2. Everyone ran as fast as he dash. You have to fill this blank by choosing the correct options. Option first, can, could, may, fill. The correct option is could. Question third is the news dash could. You have to fill in the blank with the correct answer from the given options. First was, were, had, has. Correct answer is was. Question number 4. Either the boy or his parents dash gone there. So here fill in the blank with the correct answer from the options given below. Your first option is has, have, is, are. The correct answer is have. Remember student, if the sentence have a connector either or, the verb should be according to the second or closed subject, as you see over here. Question number 5. Physics dash a branch of natural science. Are, have, is, were. The correct option is. Practice makes a man perfect. Here are some questions you have to attempt in your notebook. The first question is, fill in the blanks in the following sentence taking the best option from the brackets. So here are the questions you have to attempt.